A very warmest welcome to everyone in my new video. Today we are going to talking about food poisoning. Okay, so food poisoning. An estimated 1 million people are affected by foodborne disease in UK annually, costing the economy in excess of 1 billion euro. Laboratory confirmed human cases in the UK from 2000 to 2017 of the four major bacterial pathogens. Harmful bacteria are shown below. These four bacteria are basically Campylobacter, Salmonella, E. coli, Listeria monocytogenes. Food poisoning. Food poisoning may result from poor domestic food preparation or poor food processing in industry, including restaurant, cafe, takeaways. This may result in loss of business and people's job if it is a serious outbreak. Microorganisms occur naturally in the environment on cereals, vegetables, fruit, animals, people, water, soil, and in the air. Most bacteria are harmless, but a small number can cause illness. Food which is contaminated with food poisoning microorganisms can look, taste, and smell normal. Food spoilage. Changes in food either through enzyme deterioration of food or microorganism growth will eventually lead to the food becoming inedible or unsafe if eaten. The rate of deterioration depends on a variety of factors which must be controlled carefully. Contaminants may be already present in the food, example salmonella in chicken, or transferred to the food by humans, flies, rodents, and other pests. High risk food. Some food are high risk as they provide the ideal condition needed for microorganisms to grow. These include meat product and poultry, milk and dairy product, egg, uncooked and lightly cooked, shellfish and seafood, prepared salad and vegetable, cooked rice and pasta. If these foods become contaminated with food microorganisms and conditions allow them to multiply, the risk of food poisoning increases. Okay, there is a picture where lion mark will be presented. Okay, let's talking about this. Lion mark hen egg can now be eaten raw or lightly cooked. Although people who have a severely weakened immune system and who are on a medically supervised diet prescribed by health professionals should cook all egg thoroughly, even egg that have the red lion stamp. People at high risk. Elderly people, babies, and anyone who is ill or pregnant needs to be extra careful about the food they eat. For example, pregnant women or anyone with low resistance to infection should avoid high-risk foods such as unpasteurized soft cheese. Factor affecting food poisoning. Some common factors leading to food poisoning include preparation of food too far in advance, storage at ambient temperature, inadequate cooling, inadequate reheating, undercooking, inadequate thawing. Factor affecting food poisoning. Further common factors leading to food poisoning include consuming raw food, improper warm holding, that is, holding hot food below 63 degrees centigrade, infected food handlers, contaminated processed food, poor hygiene. Symptoms of food poisoning. Food poisoning can be mild or severe. The symptoms will be different depending upon what type of bacteria is responsible. Common symptoms include severe vomiting, diarrhea, exhaustion, headache, fever, abdominal pain, tiredness. Preventing food spoilage, contamination, and poisoning. Tips for buying food include: it is illegal to sell food that has passed its use by date. Dented, blown, or rusted cans of food should not be purchased. Frozen food which has frozen together in the pack should not be purchased. Do not buy food where the packaging has been damaged. Only shop in clean and hygienic stores. Preventing food spoilage, contamination, and poisoning. Tips for transporting food back home. Buy chilled and frozen food at the end of shopping trip. Keep frozen and chilled foods cold by using cool boxes, bags, and packing these types of food together. Cooked and uncooked food should be kept separate. Dry and moist food should be packed separately. Household chemicals should be packed separately. Tips for storing food in the home. Food should be unpacked as soon as possible. Old stocks of food should be used before buying new ones. first in, first out theory. Stored food in the correct place, that is dry food in cool, dry, clean places, and chilled food in the refrigerator. Now talking about bacteria which are responsible for food poisoning. The first bacteria is Clostridium botulinum. The sources: fish and meat, dust, soil and vegetable, inadequate processed canned meat, vegetable and fish, faulty canning. Sign and symptoms: onset 12 to 36 hours, voice changes, double vision, dropping eyelids, severe constipation, death within a week or a slow recovery over a month. Now, Campylobacter bacteria source: raw and uncooked poultry, unpasteurized milk, contaminated water. Sign and symptoms: onset 2 to 5 days, can be longer, fever, headache, dizziness for a few hours, followed by abdominal pain. This usually lasts 2 to 7 days and can recur over a number of weeks. Now, bacteria Clostridium perfringens. Sources: animal and human waste, dust, soil and vegetable, raw meat, insect. Sign and symptom: onset 12 to 18 hours, abdominal pain, diarrhea and nausea. This usually lasts 12 to 48 hours. Clostridium perfringens form spores. Bacteria E. coli 0157. Sources: raw and undercooked meat and poultry, unwashed vegetables, contaminated water. Sign and symptoms: onset usually 3 to 4 days. Diarrhea, which may contain blood, can lead to kidney failure or death. Bacteria Salmonella. Sources: raw meat, poultry and egg, flies, peoples, sewage and contaminated water. Sign and symptoms: onset 6 to 48 hours, headache, general aching of limbs, abdominal pain and diarrhea, vomiting and fever. This usually lasts 1 to 7 days and rarely is fatal. Bacteria Staphylococcus aureus. Sources: humans, nose, mouth, skin, untreated milk. Sign and symptoms: onset 1 to 6 hours, severe vomiting, abdominal pain, weakness, lower than normal temperature. This usually lasts 6 to 24 hours. Bacteria Listeria. Sources: unpasteurized milk and dairy product, cooked chilled foods, pet, meat and poultry salad, vegetables. Sign and symptoms: onset 1 to 70 days, ranges from mild flu-like illness to meningitis, septicemia, pneumonia. During pregnancy may lead to miscarriage or birth of an infected baby. Bacteria Bacillus cereus. Sources: rice and cereals, dust, soil and vegetable. Sign and symptoms: ranges nausea and vomiting and abdominal cramps, and has an incubation period of 1 to 6 hours. This usually lasts less than 24 hours after onset. Bacillus cereus form a spore and releases toxins which causes illness. To reduce the risk of food poisoning, follow these simple rules. Always follow use by dates. Store food correctly, either cold or hot, never warm. Separate raw and cooked food. Wash fruit and vegetables. Thoroughly cook food. Keep yourself and your workplace clean. Do not cough or sneeze over food. Thoroughly wash and dry hand regularly. Thank you very much to watching my video regarding food poisoning. Stay tuned. Goodbye.